Hi there, Klamath County. I'm Commissioner Kelley Minty Morris, and today we're going to talk about masks. Everybody's been talking about masks lately, and I asked one of our county staffers, Heidi Gaither, to join me. She's been making masks. You were literally one of the first people I saw that were making masks to donate. Tell me a little bit about how you got the idea to do that and how many you've done.
Well, I was inspired to make masks with my mother-in-law. She had sewing machines that have been passed down in my husband's family for the last couple of generations. And my mom and my sister-in-law both work at the hospital, and we just saw that there was a need. There was emails that were going out saying how there were, nationwide a shortage of PPE, personal protection equipment, available to those working at the hospitals, and that they were essentially doing a call for action for masks. And so we said, we have the stuff, we have the machines. Joanne's was donating material, and so we said, we're staying home, we're staying safe, so we might as well be using our time to be productive and helpful to our community.
And tell me, how many have you all made?
So far, we've done 250 that we've donated to the hospital, Klamath Health Partnership, and a few other local clinics. So many people have reached out and said, are you selling your masks? Can we buy them? And for us, this is really not about selling them or for monetary gain. It's been amazing that Joanne's has donated material, and people have actually donated money to buy more supplies so we can just keep going. And so for us, it's really about we have an amazing community and we want to support others, and it's really important that people are wearing these masks.
I love this so much. And like I said, right now, a lot of people are talking about masks.
Yeah.
So here's some sort of mask 101, if you will. Share with me, who is it, why is it good that we all wear a mask?
These fabric masks, just to be clear, they're not going to prevent you from getting coronavirus. What really happens with these fabric masks is that they help, especially with people who might be sick, but maybe they are asymptomatic. They're going to keep you from spreading your germs to others. So if you do have to go out, as a community, we should not be going out unless we absolutely have to. We should be staying home to stay safe. But if we have to go to the grocery store, or if we need to get out for any reason, by wearing a mask, we're keeping our germs to ourselves, which by then is supporting other people to be healthy as well. Exactly.
And to really underscore, this doesn't mean just go out anywhere. This doesn't mean we don't need to do physical distancing.
Mm-hmm.
This might help a little, and so we're encouraging people to do it because every little bit helps.
Absolutely.
And another thing we want to be really clear about masks, these are awesome, but we need to be saving those N95 masks for hospital personnel and medical personnel. So don't go buying those up. But what are some ways that people can get masks if they don't have one now?
There's a lot of ways that you can make these yourself. That's actually why I brought these just as an example today. Joanne's continues and is committed to donating fabric. I actually spoke to the manager when I picked up an order that I ordered online and went to get more material yesterday, and she said that over 3,000 masks have been made and donated to the hospital just in the last 2 weeks by people who are committed to doing this. And anyone can go and pick up a mask kit. It has enough fabric in it for you to make your own. And then there are a lot of templates online that you can make your own mask. Joanne's also provides a mask template for you. And all you need are basic sewing supplies. If elastic is in short supply right now, so if you can't find elastic, you can use things like bias, tape, ribbon, really anything that's going to help you follow the template available. And I've also provided that to Kelley. So a lot of us are just passing that information around so that you can get a mask or make one for yourself.
Yeah, and just one final word. The CEO at the hospital, Paul Stewart, told me even if people need to just wear a bandana, if you can't sew, it helps. But one thing to keep in mind is that if you don't have a mask that fits well, or you are doing a bandana, you might end up touching your face more. So you have to be even more careful to not do that. So we know there's a lot of information here, but I just wanted to highlight a huge thank you to Heidi and her family and others like her that are making masks. Truly some people that are stepping up to be heroes in the midst of all this. So thank you very much. Klamath County, stay safe, be well.